How to change aspect ratio in Nano Banana. In this video, I'll show you how to change the aspect ratio in Nano Banana. So the first thing that you will need to do is to go ahead and open Nano Banana into your browser. So go ahead and click on the Start Editing button to start editing with Nano Banana. So there is no direct way for you to set up the aspect ratio of your generated photo or video. But what you can do in here as a workaround is to go ahead and upload a reference image aspect ratio size that you want to use. So go ahead and upload the aspect ratio size photo that you want to use and then enter the command of the photo that you want to generate into this section. So once you've entered the command, go ahead and click on generate, and then Nano Banana would generate the photo for you with your reference aspect ratio at the right side of your screen. So under the output gallery, you'll be able to find the progress of the image generation along with the result of the image generation once this is done. So you'll be able to find the generated photo with the reference aspect ratio that you've given for Nano Banana. And that is how you can basically change aspect ratio in Nano Banana.